How to earn and use Neo cashback offers with brands like Netflix and Shell. If you have a Neo card including Neo Credit, Neo World, or Neo World Elite, or even Hudson Bay MasterCard powered by Neo, you can earn different bonus cashbacks with partner brands. And here's how you can do it. You can start by going up to the Neo app and opening it and navigate your way to the rewards section, or you could just go to your Neo MasterCard online. There you'll find a live map or a list showing all of the Neo partner brands like Netflix, Shell restaurants, gas stations, retail stores, and more. And offers are personalized and changed frequently. Now, in order to earn offer-specific cashbacks, you can activate or start the offer in the app or the website. Then you can pay with the same Neo card that you used to activate with. So here you can, if you don't have the card, you can apply for a new one. And you can see all of the total cashbacks you get from different Neo cards here as well. So for example, in the past, Neo has offered 3% cashback at streaming services, and that also includes Netflix when the part of their program as the part of their partner program. And similarly, Shell gas station in regions like Ontario or Western Canada, they offered up to 4% cashback when you paid via the Shell app using your Neo card. So these are some of the ways that you can get the cashback and rewards on the Neo. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.